Hi guys, it's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be vlogging and showing you guys a day in my life. It's Friday. I have some plans with a friend that I haven't seen in a while. I vlogged with her in the past, so you guys know who she is. It's Allie, and I'm super excited because I haven't seen her in a long time and I miss her. So I thought I would vlog for you guys today since I am going to be doing some fun stuff. Before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell. Let's just get right into this vlog. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I think I already did an intro, but hi again. I'm about to leave to go to my friend's house and we're about to have a good day and I'm going to show you guys. Let's go. Need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated and come here fish.
Turn right onto South Robert
Thank
Trail.
you, Siri.
Look, I just put the switch.
This a rolling, not a stop. What? Don't never stop. I've never gone this way before, so hopefully I know where I'm going.
Right.
Hi guys, I miss doing a drive with me. I haven't done one in like a week, and it's so sad because I'm going back to school next weekend, a week from Sunday, and I won't have my car, so I won't be able to do a drive with me until I come back. I don't know when I'll come back, probably as soon as I can. Like I've said a bajillion times, I'm so excited for this year. I have found out some new tips on editing, and if you guys want to see a video of how I edit, let me know because I just recently found out some new ways to edit. Probably gonna do it anyway because I feel like that'll help a lot of people, and one of my main goals this year is to help you guys out, whether that be from school, editing, YouTube, just life in general. I want to give you guys the best advice ever, and I want to create a bond with you guys. I really just want to make sure that no matter how many subscribers I have, that I try to create a really close bond with you guys, because I think that's really important. On the red, because I felt like it. Are we going so slow, people? I drink till I'm drunk, I'm high. Hustle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I it made me wanna see. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. Alright, hey guys, so I just made it to Allie's house and I didn't miss the road this time, so that's really good. But yeah, so I will see you guys when I see her. But I'm here. Okay, so I suck at vlogging and I didn't vlog in the coffee shop, but we found this wall and it's just rocks. So we're gonna take pictures and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Here we go.
I'm being looked at by this boy.
Okay, what should I
Okay.
Should
Wait.
I wear this or should I take it off?
Wear it, then take it off.
Like both straps?
Yeah. Oh, both straps. I don't know, I feel like you can't see it though, with both straps on.
Do you want to see it?
I don't know, do you want to see it?
I want to do it.
That's so funny. Okay. Okay, ready?
Are you holding it?
I'm clicking it.
I don't know what to do. So I want you guys to let me know if you think Allie should start a channel. Because I think she should.
Wait, I'll just start my vlog on here. Send me the footage. Okay, so start at the bottom. Got my Fila disruptors. T-shirt from Forever 21. And this.
I really like that jacket. Look at her. Oh, I love that store. Look at her go. Subscribe to her, follow her. All her stuff's gonna be in the description. So my boots are from literally Old Navy for $20. And then I have some Nike leggings. And I have this sweater from Altered State. And then I have a jean jacket from probably Forever 21. I don't know where it's from. Story time, we almost got towed, but you can't tow us when we're moving.
Wait, dead ass though?
Bro. That is.
Wait, that's for the garbage can, right?
Oh.
That's for the garbage.
Okay, we're done. Never mind. I have my feelings on safety.
I'm crying.
That's what the song does to you. I don't want to face it. Think that I'm tripping, That whole smoking legal. Like I do that shit. I know what's left to do to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it Friday.
DA got that dope.
Ice water to Atlantic.
Night calling in advance.
He's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. I was till I land and have me out like a light. Got that kickback when I blow that thing on the track. They don't shoot back. The light is so bad. We gon' do your attitude, but I ain't from Compton.
Look who that bit, I'm polo down like Carlton.
Hey guys, so I'm editing right now and I realized that I forgot to end today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button down below. Also comment down videos that you want to see next on my channel, and of course always read that description box. That concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you.